So for late August 2023, still don't have green beans, but I'm hopeful. The banana pepper plants are kind of coming back. I see a pepper on the hot pepper plant, so I'm kind of hoping I can at least harvest one. This red bell pepper plant, it's got a lot of peppers on it. They just have to turn colors. Speaking of turning colors, the yellow bell pepper is starting to turn yellow. And there's another pepper here at the top. We had a storm, and the cherry tomato plant, which is going crazy over here, kind of fell over. But it's got a lot of tomatoes on it. So we've been picking them here and there, but a lot of these have to turn red. It's growing right into the lattice. It's kind of colliding with the green bean and raspberry plants right here. We picked one of these cubanelles that was still green, and we chopped it up and mixed it with a green pepper. It's not sweet at all when it's green. It's kind of a good substitute for a green bell pepper if you need one. The Cardinal Hybrid is making small pepper right there, so hopefully we get something before the season ends. Some of the plants that were marked bell peppers, I think, are jalapenos. So I could just end up with some more jalapenos this year instead of red bell peppers. I mean, that does not look like a red bell pepper. This purple bell has 2 peppers on it. Hopefully they get bigger and we can harvest them. This purple bell pepper that I've already harvested one from this year has got 2 peppers on it. Looks like it's starting to form a third. The cubanelle that I've harvested from this year, or I should say the other cubanelle plant, this is the one I harvested a red cubanelle from. I harvested a green one from the other. It's got 3 peppers on it right now. And the candy cane pepper has got 3 peppers on it. 2 of them are red. One of them is ready to be picked. The prickly pear is still doing well. So I removed 2 of the marigolds that were blocking light from this Fresno pepper plant and from this tomato plant. I transplanted them in other parts of the garden. The marigolds that came up this year are doing really well, and the raspberries over here are just going crazy. The bumblebees have been over here pollinating them, and we've got another crop. I actually just picked some raspberries before I turned on the camera. Over here, the Cajun bell, it's got a bunch of small peppers on here, green and red. I'm hoping they get a little bit bigger. You can see lots of raspberries and lots of bumblebees. Look at these little guys. Over here, the red bell pepper. It's got 1 pepper on the plant, and this should be the Fresno pepper plant. And you can see I've got 2 peppers on it. They're green right now. If they get bigger and turn red, I should be able to harvest them. And finally, after a couple years, I can have some Fresno peppers. And look at this Thai hot pepper plant that's still in the pot. Look at all these little peppers on here. It's more than we're gonna eat. These things are hot, but they're good. The other Thai hot pepper plant that just got waterlogged and I transplanted over here, we were able to harvest some of the peppers off there, but the rest of these are just really small, and I knew it wasn't going to make it, but I thought as an experiment I would just see if I could transplant it. We've got lots of carrots over here. Let's just go ahead and pull one and see what we get. Yeah, they're just small. I think I'll transplant these over to the new section of the garden. I don't know that we're going to get anything this year, but it's kind of a learning process with these. Stay tuned for more updates, and thanks for watching.